Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel IELTS Booster, and today we are going to talk about some of the topics of Speaking Part 1 Jan to April 2021. And here is our first topic, that is on New Year, and its questions are: how do you celebrate New Year? Do you still remember a New Year that you celebrated? Do you have any ceremonies to celebrate the New Year in your country? And why do people think New Year is a new beginning? And our next topic is on trees, and the questions are: what kind of trees do people usually plant in your country? How about your hometown? Have you ever planted trees? What kind of trees do you plant? And do you like planting trees, and why? Are there any important trees in your country? Where can one find trees in your country? And did you ever climb a tree when you were a child? Do you think people should plant more trees? Do you think places with trees attract more visitors than places with few trees? And our last question is: would you like to live in a place where that has a lot of trees? Our next topic is farming, and the questions are: have you visited a farm? What kind of farm do you like? Do you think farming is important? Did you do farm work when you were young? Do you think future generation will be interested in farming? And our last question is: do you think farming will look different in the future or stay the same? Our next topic is feeling happy, and the questions are: is there anything that makes you feel happy lately? What do you do to stay happy? Can you stay happy all the time? Is it important to be happy? What do you like to do when you feel happy? What kind of things make you happy? What kind of things do Indian people feel happy about? And is it easy to be happy for you? Our next topic is on decoration, and the questions are: what is the decoration like in your home? What kind of decorations do you prefer? Do Indian people like decorating their homes? What is the favorite color when you decorating your homes? What kind of things do you use while decorating your home? Is it important to decorate home? On what occasions do you decorate your home? Our next topic is on furniture, and the questions are: do you have a lot of furniture in your home? Is there anyone who bought furniture for you? What kind of furniture would you like to buy? Which furniture do you like the best in your home? Have there been any recent changes in the kinds of furniture that people in India use? Do people in India prefer traditional or modern styles of furniture? Our next topic is stages of life, and the questions are: do you enjoy your current stage of life? In what stage of your life were you the happiest? Which stage of your life do you think is the most important? What is your plan for your next stage of life? Is there a stage of life which is more difficult or easier than others? Is there a stage of life you particularly look forward to or look back on fondly? Our next topic is home country, and the questions are: which part of your country do you want to live in? What makes you feel proud of your country? Do you know the history of your country well? Will you stay in your home country in the future? How do people choose their place to live in your country? What is the most interesting part of your home country? Our next topic is window view, and the questions are: what scenery can you see from the window of your room? Do you like to watch the scenery from your window? Do you want to live in a house with beautiful window views? How do you feel when you can't see any beautiful view from your window? Name, and the questions are: is it easy for you to remember people's name? How do you remember people's name? How do you feel when people can't remember your name? And do you often forget people's name? Reading. And the questions are: do you like reading? Do you like to read at home or in other places? In what places do you think it is difficult to read? And do you like to read by yourself or with other people? Next one is getting up early. And the questions are: do you often get up early in the morning? What do you usually do when you got up early? Do you get up early on weekends? Which morning do you like the best in a week? Our last topic is new activities. And the questions are: do you like to try new activities? What activities would you like to try? What activities did you do when you were a child? Do you like to try new activities alone or with friends? And our last question is: which new activities have you tried recently? Thanks for watching, friends, and keep following us.